Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change the look and the shape of your lines in Lucidchart. In the previous video we created this line, and let's say you don't like the way how it's shaped and you want to make it, I don't know, more boldy. All we have to do is click on the line, anywhere in the line. And then on top is the line width. You can also change how it looks. It can be just like, or it can be double. It can be a narrow one, and also you can change the width of the line. Then you can change the pointers, just like that, for example. And also the opposite side as well. You can go like this. And you can also change the pattern. I don't know, you don't like that it's going from left side because you have some kind of plans with this side. So once you see on your cursor this shape, like you can move it, you can easily move it to the opposite side. Also, you can change where it's gonna land. You just have to click on the point where the line and the object is touching, just like that. And voila, it's all done. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.